Hey, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be doing an order of operation problem, but first I want to introduce you to my pet parrot. Oh my goodness. All right, let's get back to the show here. All right, what we have here is we have 8 plus 2, which is inside parentheses, times 7 minus 3 to the third power plus 6. Now remember, when we do order of operation, we always do what's inside parentheses first, then we do exponents, we do multiplication and division from left to right, and then at the end we always do addition and subtraction from left to right. All right, first of all, let's go ahead and do what's inside the parentheses. And sometimes, when you get more experience, you can dabble in a couple other things and it won't affect the problem. But let's go ahead and do what's inside the parentheses, and that is 8 plus 2 is 10. So let's go ahead and write the 10 right here. Then times 7 minus, and right now I'm going to go ahead and do that exponent. So 3 to the third power. Remember how we do exponents? We take 3 times 3 times 3. Now those little dots that I'm writing there, those are multiplication. That's a way to show a multiplication problem. So you can also do 3 times 3 times 3. That's another way of showing multiplication. So when we do 3 times 3 times 3, we take 3 times 3 equals 9, and then 9 times 3 equals 27. So I'm going to go ahead and write the 27 right here, plus 6. All right. Now, again, what is our next step? Let's just finish the multiplication. We got a multiplication problem here, and then after that, we're going to do addition and subtraction from left to right. So let's take 10 times 7 equals 70. So I'm going to write 70 right here, minus 27 plus 6. All right. And if you want to, you could put equal signs right here. All right, let's go ahead and do this problem here. So 70 minus 27. If you can't do that in your head, we can always do it on the side right here. So we can take 70 minus 27. So then I need to borrow. So this will be a 6, and now this turns into a 10. So 10 minus 7 equals 3. And then 6 minus 2 equals 4. So now I have 43 plus 6. All right, so 43 plus 6 equals, you got it, 49. Awesome, easy cheesy, lemon squeezy. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. I got some other cool other YouTube channels out there. I have a channel called Dino Math. That's where I'm working with dinosaurs and mathematics, kind of a mix of the two. Check that channel right there. I also have another channel called The Learning Fun Show, where I do a lot of other probably a little bit more like elementary type of mathematics on that show, and sometimes we'll do some fun stuff. So check those things. If you can't see it there, you'll see it down below in the comments there, description there. So hey, I hope you guys are having a great day. We'll talk to you later. Adios, goodbye.